you guys. It's a blizzard. And it's a blizzard today. Yep, it's snowing. Now I have to go home and shovel. Guys, we are at the Super Saver thrift store. I mean, this is like the best thrift store to come to. You would not even believe. Some of them are a little pricey, but I'm going to show you what you can get. Well, I have these. These are Madden Girl, and I paid more than $13.99 for these. I mean, look, they're like in perfect condition. Perfect. And here's some Skechers. Kind of big though, but look, $5.49. Amazing. Look at these little guys. Look how cute these are. These are $4.99. They have these fuzzy little guys. These are $2.99. Oh, they have some monkeys. Let's see how much these are. Oh, it doesn't say. So cute. Oh, these are like some platform slippers. Oh my gosh. So we have some candy slippers. You guys, these are expensive. It doesn't say the price on here though, but I imagine they're probably around $4.99. These are. These are very interesting. These are. So you have to be careful. I mean, these are really cute, but these are almost $30. But they are cute though. We have everything neatly organized. Women's accessories. We even have some wigs. We have this Betsy Johnson backpack. Now it is $17.99, but these are literally about, oh my gosh, I think anywhere from like $100 to $150. Dooney and Burke. It's in great condition. This is a Rossetti. This is still a nice brand. This is $3.99. You guys, oh my gosh, got some amazing things from the store, and oh my gosh, it's such a blizzard out here. So we're gonna go over the haul in just a momentito. Today I had to get a hat, I had to get some really insulated gloves because I don't have any, and we need boots for shoveling because I was literally wearing like gym shoes out there and just getting soaked. Obviously, we're going to have to go home and we're going to have to shovel today. So, okay. All right. Are you ready? So, the girls at work know that I have been looking for fuzzy boots for years. I used to have a pair, but I wore them out. Oh my gosh! Look, you guys! If I would have shown you in the store, I probably would have screamed and they probably would have kicked me out. So, these were $13.99. Half off. I can't even believe it. Look at this. Look how sturdy the heel is. These are a 6. And I usually wear anywhere between a 6 and a 9 because every manufacturer makes their shoes a little bit different. It's so weird. So you'll see. So this is a 6, and they do stretch out a little bit, so I would recommend, if you do get a pair of these, get a smaller size because they do stretch out. Okay. And then we bought our Heat Logic thermal cap. Let's try it on. So this was $7.99. The red tag items are not half off. Insulated inside. Poofy little pom-pom, because of course we have to look cute. So put it on. It covers our ears. Can't see. And it even covers our hair up here, so that's all good. Okay, so we'll take that off because I'll get too hot. Okay. Then we bought some thermal gloves. These were $4.99. Okay, so these are insulated. They're fabulous, fabulous. And these are just going to be used for shoveling the snow. And we got a caboodles. You guys, look at this. Look. Here's the inside. There's a little string there. So this was $2.50. We have to wash it out. But I mean, look, guys, these things are anywhere, I don't know, I'm just gonna say 25 to like 50 bucks. Major score. It's in perfect condition. I just have to wash out the inside a little bit, but I love. Okay. Now, next up, we got our boots for shoveling the snow. So these were half off, $7. Really cute. They zip up the front. They're almost the same material as the gloves. Isn't that weird? They're insulated. They have no heel, so we don't fall down. The zipper, and oh my gosh, and the fuzziness goes all the way down. All the way down. Okay. Next up, if I can find them. Okay. So these we just bought these for like every day. Oh gosh, how much were these? Oh. So let's see. These were $2.25. So these are a size 8. Let me see what size these are. Okay, so telling you about the sizes, these are a 9. These are a 9, and let's compare them with the other boots. Let's see. Look at this. This one's a 6, this one's a 9. See, what did I tell you about the manufacturer? So really, this is really like a 6, okay? So anyways, okay. And then this was an 8. Again, we're going to compare. Look. See? They're like the same size. Isn't that weird? Okay. So the fuzzy boots were a 6. These are a 9. And these are an 8. So, okay. So these zip down. Okay. And they have ties in the back. So we're going to use these for every day. We just have to get the fuzzies off of them. Amazing. So that is our shopping haul. We are definitely going to start going here like on Mondays. So thanks you guys for watching. Sorry, my mouth is just, I can't even really talk today. Hold on just a second. Thanks you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and comment, and feel free to share with your friends. And again, if you guys do comment, if I may add, please comment more than with just an emoji, because YouTube looks at it as spam. They have new guidelines and policies out. I mean, who knew? So thanks again, you guys. I'll see you really, really soon. Mwah. XO. Honey, that gift's already been opened.